Hello everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for everything web hosting and server tips. I'm Nat and today we're diving into a hot topic that every website owner and developer asks: Apache versus NGINX. Which web server is best for your site? If you've ever wondered why some sites load super fast while others lager, why developers swear by one server over the other, this video is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which server suits your website needs. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss tips that help you optimize your website and hosting experience. All right, let's get started. In this video, we're going to cover what Apache and NGINX actually are, their main differences, advantages and disadvantages of each. Which type of website or project is better suited for each server? And at the end, I'll show you how QloudHost offers both servers, so you can pick the perfect hosting plan based on your needs. Let's start with Apache. Apache is one of the oldest and most popular web servers out there. It's been around since the mid 90s and has powered a huge number of websites over the years. Why do people love Apache? Well, it's flexible, feature rich, and has excellent support for dynamic content, especially if you're running PHP based applications like WordPress. It also supports a wide range of modules that can add extra functionality. However, Apache can struggle under very high traffic loads because of its way of handling multiple requests. Each connection uses more memory, which can slow things down if your site gets millions of visitors. Now let's talk about NGINX. Pronounced like NGINX, NGINX is a newer web server that was designed to handle high traffic and heavy loads efficiently. Unlike Apache, NGINX uses an event-driven asynchronous architecture, which basically means it can handle thousands of simultaneous connections without slowing down. This makes it super popular for high traffic websites, streaming platforms, and sites needing ultra fast performance. On the flip side, NGINX is not as flexible with dynamic content as Apache is. So you might need extra setup if your site heavily relies on server-side scripts. Here's a quick comparison to make it easier. Performance: NGINX is generally faster and handles high traffic better. Apache works well for small to medium websites. Flexibility: Apache wins here, thanks to its modules and .ht access support. Ease of use: Apache is easier for beginners, while NGINX requires a bit more technical know-how. Memory usage: NGINX is lightweight, Apache uses more memory under heavy loads. So basically, if you want maximum speed and scalability, go for NGINX. If you want flexibility and simplicity, Apache is your friend. Now, if you're wondering where you can get hosting that supports both Apache and NGINX, let me introduce you to QloudHost. QloudHost offers both Apache and NGINX servers and also light speed, so you can choose according to your website needs. Plus, they provide 100% DMCA Ignored Hosting, meaning your content stays safe and secure, and their servers are located in offshore locations to give you maximum privacy and freedom. So, whether you're running a small blog, an e commerce site, or a high traffic platform, QloudHost has a plan that fits perfectly. Check out the link in the description to explore their plans. If you're still confused about which server to choose, or if you have any questions about Apache or NGINX, leave a comment below and I'll personally help you figure it out. I love reading your questions. That's it for today's video on Apache versus NGINX. I hope this information helped you understand which server is right for your website. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and hit the bell for more tips on hosting, servers, and website optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.